Got this Landcruiser in today in black, purple. It was paint corrected and protected 4 weeks ago. There's no beading, no nothing. It was a big name company in Brisbane and we're about to fix it. And after testing it in parts, it's just sheeting water, it's not beading the water. Look at that. 4 weeks ago it shouldn't be that dead. And once, I haven't washed this yet, I have to wash it, decontaminate it. Once I do that stage, I reckon none of this will work. Look how flat it is. And in some sections, it's just completely dead. 4 weeks ago. So because this is a black car and it's Japanese paint, it's pretty much brand new apart from 4 weeks ago. That big name company supposedly done paint protection. I'm trying to decontaminate it without touching it so I don't scratch the soft clear coat. So when we say we will see what's underneath the paint when you bring in the new cars, this is what we mean. So after doing the decontamination stage, nothing is left of whatever that car dealer polish and whatever that company did to this car 4 weeks ago. Look, nothing's left. That's after we decontaminate this car completely before we bring it inside to alcohol wipe it and polish it and then ceramic coat it. Look, there's nothing on the car. Look. That's. So look at the scratches after we've decontaminated this thing. The bonnet's got a lot of scratches. The third final polish stage that this bonnet's had, it was very scratched. And some of the scratches are deep. They're not deep as in just paint sort of taken off. They're sort of grooved into the sort of paint to clear coat. It's hard to explain, but to polish them out, we'd have to go really deep and cut too much clear coat. So I don't want to do that. It's a new car. I think what the other place done is they washed it and maybe clay bite it too hard or something, and then they've put a filler. Look how bad it swelled it is. This is a new car that's been taken to a big name shop, and I think what they did is polished it and put a filler and gave it back to the customer. see full gloss, no fillers. We're using this. Look at that, wow. Looks like glass. Oh my god, wow.
Wait for someone to give me a ride. That idiot.
Tell me your honest opinion on this. Have you seen anything this glassy?
The bonnet looks mint, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So glad they're taking that dent out.
Yeah.
Because it really stands out now, doesn't it?
Look at it. Be honest, when you picked it up from them, was it like this?
No.
Yeah.
Well, I can tell. Okay, see that?
Yeah.
That's what I always wanted.
Yeah.
It never had. Oh, you saw it.
I don't want to spray it for you. It'll bleed like crazy.
No, I don't want you to get it dirty. Give your water away.
Look, yeah.
Like you did all the wheels and everything.
Everything. Even, I was so tired.
Yeah, see, it never had that reflection off the door.
Yeah.